Hey everyone, Kyle here. In today's video, I am going to show you how to remove payment method on TikTok. So let's get started. So now here we are on TikTok, and from here to remove the payment method is very simple. All you have to do is go into your profile here in TikTok, and then from here tap on the three horizontal bars on the top right. And then once you are here, you want to tap on settings and privacy. And then once you're here, you should now be seeing the your orders option right here under account. So you want to tap on that. And then from here to go to the your payment methods is that you want to scroll sideways here to all the way to the right. And then you'd now be able to see the payment here on the last option. So tap on it. And then from here, this is where you'd be able to see all the payment methods that you have in TikTok. But in my case, I don't have one because I have removed everything right here. So to remove your payment method, all you have to do is select the payment method that you want to remove. And from there, you would have the remove option right there. And then you just want to tap on that and just remove it from there, and then it will be removed. So it's very direct to the point. Just tap on the payment method that you have. And yeah, that is basically it on how you can remove your payment method here in TikTok. So you also have your refund methods right here. So this is also very important. So if you have any refunds that you would want to process here in TikTok for some items, then these are your refunds method. And it might be also added here into your payment methods right here. So it might be ideal if you don't remove it just yet until you have not been refunded. And that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.